I'm at Anthony Wayne, infamously leave to my shady memory past. Wayne County, Michigan. City of Wayne, Michigan. Anthony Wayne Drive in Detroit, Michigan. Anthony Wayne Road in Wayne, Michigan. Fort Wayne, during the French, British, Spanish, Indian Ancient America invasion and wars. Wayne State University, jail, hospital, psychiatric division, infirmary, TB sanitarium, and countless other associated connected affiliations in the Americas and so-called European nations, etc. The Wayne family ancestral empire. My family still benefits from my shady legacy to this day. Most infamous for Anthony Wayne's reprieve came in the form of an invitation from President Washington to